Hello, ladies and gentlemen, girls. We are going to be checking out the wood chipper today. My name is Sam, and we are going to pour water into the wood chipper. So I got a gallon jug of water, and the reason I'm doing this is because the customer asked what happens if water gets into it, like they're in a rainy season or something like that. And so I'm going to answer that with water. So I'm going to do it in a couple ways. One, I'm going to just pour it in, see if there's any leaking that happens, like if there's like a drainage system. So we got multiple angles here, so hopefully we can get some good shots for you and we can have a good time. So here we go. Gonna put you right there so you can see what we're doing. And we're just gonna, is this camera recording? This camera's not recording. Let's make sure we have everything recorded. So I'm gonna just pour in some water. See what happens. See if there's any leakage or anything. All right, as you can see, there is a drainage system in place. It is leaking. Now, let's go down. Oh, as you can see, let's get the camera here. There's a couple holes down there. You see that? There's a hole there, there's a hole there. So it does have a drainage system in place, which is very fascinating. I didn't know that was gonna happen. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start it up and see what happens when you pour water in while it's going. So I got my protective earmuffs on. Let's go through the startup procedure and let's go. Oh wait, remember that shut-off valve. Oop, there's a lot of water leaking. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some more water in. Going. There we go. You gotta make sure it go right. To start it up, you can close the clutch there. Now we're at full speed. So we're gonna pour water in, see what happens. Hold on, we want to get this. If it comes out the chute, we want it to come out that chute there. You gotta stop moving. All right, let's get this. Here we go. Going on the battery, it is going everywhere, it is leaking wonderfully. Flying out there. Nothing too exciting on this camera. Water is going really well. So it does have a leakage system in place. It looks like a grasshopper here is getting murdered by some hornets, bees, or whatever the hell these are. Look at that thing go! Oh my gosh, let's get that on camera. Alright, let's get that. Look at that thing! Look at that! We are getting a beautiful shot of that bee just massacring that dang a grasshopper. How cool is that? Look at that. In 1080p, let's go. Grasshopper is dead. I don't know if we killed it or whatever. We're not going to do a murder investigation. That's so cool though. So cool. Okay, we're back on the wood chipper. Alright. Alright. Now, as you can see, it handled it just fine. The water is draining out naturally. And I'm really glad that you guys asked this question about water. So it does have a drainage system, which is absolutely wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed this coverage. If you did, definitely hit that subscribe button, like button. Come hang out with me live when you get a chance to do. My coverage is usually live. And thank you. If you guys got more questions, please feel free to ask them. Thanks and have a great day.